under fractions. A couple things about fractions, kind of putting everything all together. The book will talk about a fractions chart. And that is nothing more than a quick way for you to see what you do differently when you do different operations with fractions. For example, when you multiply them, when you divide them, when you add and slash subtract them, kind of the same, so we kind of put that all together. What are the key words and what do you do? For example, if you're multiplying fractions, what would you say would be the key words there? When you multiply fractions, you just simply multiply across. Multiply across. And then you could have an example of that. 1/2 times 1/3. Just multiply across, you get 1/6. Nothing easier than that. Although to make sure when you do multiplying and dividing fractions, you have to change mixed numbers to improper. Change mixed to improper for these two. So there's multiplying fractions, you just multiply across. To divide fractions, Abram, you?
Flip the second fraction and time.
Yep, flip second and multiply. And remember we talked about this also, if you can, cross cancel, if you can. Cross cancel if possible. Same thing here, cross cancel if possible. But remember, you can only cross cancel after you've made it multiplication. After you make it multiplication. So if you have 1/3 divided by 1/2, you're going to change that into 1/3 times 2/1. Cross cancel if you can, you can't here, so that equals 2/3. This equals 1/6. And adding and subtracting fractions are very simple, similar, because you do what? You write them up and down. And you make common denominators. And you add or subtract the tops, and you keep the bottom the same. For example, it is 1/5 plus 1/3. What's your common denominator of 1/5 and 1/3? Smallest thing that 5 and 3 go into is 15. Multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 5. 8/15. Everybody's pretty happy. And then on all of these, we didn't say it, but you must always make sure that in the end you simplify, which means reduce, do what you can. Simplify. So that is all the stuff we talked about when dealing with fractions and operations there. Just as a one-page helpful note to you. And then the other thing that